Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Rusty 78609, and I'm going to test this setup I've got for the external mic and see how it works. We're going to go out here on a road somewhere and drive this thing and see if we can eliminate the road noise. Seems to be irritating some people. It's funny, I don't really notice it, but that doesn't mean anything. We'll see how it goes. Let's go. I think I've solved the issue. We'll see. They had a major update yesterday to the Pixel 6 or Android, 1.2 gigabytes, not megabytes, gigabytes. That's a big old good one, I promise you that. So here we go. We're going to go out and see. We're going to go out to that highway. Just a little sprinkle here today, which is nice. It's been really dry here in Brackettville, Texas. Temperature right now shows 78 degrees, and it's about 9:30 in the morning, which is a miracle this time of the year. You hear anything? Probably can't even hear me. That's what I'm concerned about, is the external mic doesn't work at all, because that's kind of been the history of this setup, because you can't use Bluetooth because Bluetooth doesn't work effectively. It's a sometimes thing. Why, I don't know. Got something to do with Android and Bluetooth. Then this thing is rigged up. The Pixel 6 doesn't have an external mic adapter hole. You got to get an adapter that goes into the charging port and then hook it up to an external mic. I think that's part of the problem, but we'll see. We're in town now, but we're going to go out here and turn on a highway and speed up a little bit. I'm going about 40 right now, which I don't go much faster, so we'll see how this goes. You hearing anything? So we'll get up to about 50 miles an hour here on this road. And there's one car, and it's a sheriff, and he's right behind me, naturally. And when I say right behind me, I mean like right behind me. I'd pull over and let him pass, but that'd probably make me look suspicious. I mean, I bet he's not a foot off my bumper. Well, now he slowed down a little bit. I guess he got close enough to read the license, and it's a dealer tag. So you hearing anything? Looking for a place to turn around now. He's not giving me a lot of room, I'll say that. Well, now he did a swift turn. Now he did a 360. He's going the other way. Well, let's slow down here, Russ. Let's make this turn right here. This is all done with resistive braking right here. I'm not touching the brake at all. So, I don't know. We'll let this go another minute or two and let you guys see what you think. But this is the best I could figure out, and we'll see how it goes. But having said that, let me get back up to speed again, heading back into town. Get my sody out of the thing so the ice doesn't rattle. same road I was on the other day. I mean, I've done 2 videos already without the external mic. I will publish both of those, so if you get some road noise in those, just bear in mind that we're working on it. Well, that's a good test. It's about 5 or 6 minutes, right? Yeah. Anyway, guys, mic test or road noise test. This is Rusty 78609. Thumbs up. Enjoy your weekend. Adios. Bye-bye. Keep your health. Use the Amazon link. Stand on your head. Run around the block. Bye.